Okay, I didn't get it on camera, but I just shot a buck right over there. I think it got a pretty good shot, but it didn't drop right away, so it's gonna wait another hour. Then I'll go track it. Just a small buck, but we need some meat, so. Okay, so I'm tracking it to here, and you can see there's still a lot of blood. Looks like we stopped here for a little bit, so blood was just pouring in this part, and then it drips that direction.